This is my workstation, and as you can see, the surface has been pretty worn down. We have here a spot that is really bad when things started to become loose, and here, and in general, it's just old. And so I decided to have it changed before that it stops working. So let's figure out how to mount the replacement from Shaper Origin. Okay, the surface seems to be mounted on a board, and there's a couple of inlay screws here to mount them. So I need to figure out on the workstation how to remove the old one. Well, okay, that was much easier than expected. You see, the new surface is mounted. It was just 5 screws. There's no problem, no instruction needed or anything. So if you ever are planning to renew your surface, know that this is going to be really quick and easy.